Lu.
Uy, Fred!
Hi!
Kumusta ka?
Long time no see.
Buti na lang di na ako mag-isa.
Oh, siyempre excited ako, no? You look great.
Uy, thank you, Fred O, kumusta na Toronto?
Ah, okay naman. You heard naman what happened in America.
Oo, grabe, Fred.
Hirap talagang magnegosyo ngayon.
Oo nga.
I have 5 supermarkets from LA to San Francisco to Toronto. Nationwide nga kami. But with the recession, ay nako, ang hirap talaga ng buhay ngayon.
5 na ang supermarkets mo? Fred, asenso ka na talaga.
Kailangan eh. Tigisan tindahan para sa mga anak ko. Ting-tings, ping-pings, kring-krings, ling-lings, and bing-bings, Pinoy grocery.
The last time I saw you, 2 pa lang ang anak mo. Naku, samantalang ako, tinuwa pa na, wala pa akong sing-sing.
Eh, you're so choosy naman kasi, Lulu.
Come on.
May iniintay ka yata eh.
Meron nga. Ito si Marydale. Girl, I miss you so much. Wow. It's been so long.
Hi, Meredith. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Ting-ting, ping-ping, kring-kring, ping-ping, ano ba yun? Oh, kamusta naman si wifey?
Okay naman silang lahat. Okay naman. Pero ito, si Lulu ang tanungin natin. In love ka pa ba kay...
Uy.
Joke. How's life in the UK?
Eh di syempre, malungkot. It rains all the time. At saka, it's cold and lonely. It's really hard to be far away from your loved ones, no?
Baka loved one.
Ay, sira!
Ano yun eh?
How's work?
Honestly, work is really good. Uy, congratulate mo naman ako.
Oh, bakit?
I'm now a full-fledged nurse.
Wow, congratulations!
Uy, pero sa awa ng Diyos, even if the UK is now going through some hard times, the healthcare industry is still thriving. Kaya I feel so blessed. Kasi I get to earn well, and save up.
Good for you!
Oh.
And I heard that the nurses and the doctors in UK are doing pretty well.
Oh, yeah.
They're earning good money.
A lot.
Sa Canada, okay din. Thank you.
Talaga?
Okay din sa Canada. Kaya lang, I invested in some stocks in the US.
Naku.
So medyo, I lost a bit of money. But not like my American friends. They lost everything.
Grabe, nakahinayang naman.
At saka buti na lang, I didn't overextend my credit. Alam mo naman tayo mga Pinoy. We don't buy anything we can't pay for. Wais! So, kamusta naman ang Qatar, Mers?
Well, you know what, guys? I really can't complain. Well, who would have thought na magiging programmer ako sa Middle East?
Oo nga, yung outfit mo.
Ay, pa. Well, you know, the economic slowdown, medyo it hasn't affected us as much as the other places, but we still have some savings put aside, you know, just in
Good.
case.
Good for you.
Yeah, but I really can't wait till we can retire here in the Philippines.
Oo nga, namimiss ko talagang Pilipinas. It's just so nice to catch up with old friends, tapos you get to be with family, di ba? At saka yung pace dito, the best. Relax, no?
Exactly.
This is the way we should live our lives, no?
Wow.
Hindi katulad sa abroad, lahat nagmamadali, lahat naghahabol, di ba? Everyone's rushing for whatever, di ba? Parang rat race. Okay, sa London, ulan ng ulan. Sa UAE naman, sobrang
Mainit.
init. Di ba? Dito na lang sa Pinas, we get the best of both worlds. Kasi today, umuulan, bukas makalawang, init-init naman, di ba? Di okay yung panahon.
Balance. In Canada, yung winter, ang ginaw. Grabe. Tapos yung snow, akala nyo postcard moment? No, hassle. Oh, I have to shovel inches and inches of ice.
Naku, kaya naman pala macho tayo.
ka na,
Siyempre.
friend.
Ako lang mag-isa, wala akong katulong.
Wow.
Eh, pag nandito ako sa Pinas, si Manong Rene lang, tsaka si Manang Siling lang kailangan ko. Tapos upo na lang ako, relax na lang ako. I really miss
Relax
living
talaga
here.
dito.
I wish I lived back here. But one thing's for sure, lalong gaganda ang panahon sa Pilipinas.
Uy,
Especially when it comes to the economy. According to Goldman Sachs' 2008 study, the Philippines will continue to experience positive growth of 3.7% in 2009 and 4.7% in 2010, while the rest of the world will experience lesser growth or even negative growth. In fact, CBRE states, the Philippines is the most stable country in the Southeast Asian region.
Ang taray ni Fred.
gusto mo naman nakuha yung facts mo, Fred.
Kanino pa, dun sa anak ko si Ting Ting, magna cum laude yun sa UCLA.
Talaga?
No, but seriously, tayo mga OFWs, ang main reason why the Philippines will continue to do well.
That's right.
There are 11 million OFWs all over the world remitting $17 billion a year.
Excuse me, we are not OFWs.
Oh.
We are Filipino expatriates. We are the modern Filipino heroes.
That's
We
right.
are
Oo
one
nga
of the
naman.
reasons why the Philippines continues to do well. Pero alam mo, tama ka, Fred. Most of the countries are really affected by this economic crunch. Pero ang Pinoy, hindi talaga magpapatalo. The Philippine economy seems to be doing well. And
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
you know, real estate here is such a solid investment.
I agree.
Actually, Manny and I came home to look for a new condo.
Oh.
Parang when we're done, you know, working in Qatar, may tutuluyan na kami. Parang gusto ko doon sa Century City. Sa Makati.
Oh my God, that's really nice.
Gusto nila doon si PJ. Asan na yun?
Ewan ko
Late na
nga
naman.
eh.
Actually, it's true. I've read na in spite of the economic slowdown, now is really the best time to buy Philippine real estate, ha? Gaya nga ng sabi ni Fred, 11 million people are working abroad as Filipino expats. Di ba, Mers? Tapos, there's so many working in the BPO and KPO industries. Ito yung mga business and knowledge process outsourcing industries in the Philippines. So we've become very service-based as a country. And unlike more developed nations, banking and real estate sectors are generally healthy with a lot of safety nets in place. Siguro natuto na rin tayo sa nangyari noong 1997 Asian financial crisis. And Philippine real estate is perceived to be one of the safest investments after all.
Yeah, better than the real estate in America. Or yung sa mga depressed markets like Florida or California.
Really, yeah.
Actually, gusto ko rin mag-invest dito. I wanted to invest here, but not like you na uuwi rin dito sa Pilipinas. I mean, for you girls, it makes sense to invest here kasi after your contracts, you're coming back to the Philippines, right? Pero ako, mukhang sa Canada na ako talaga.
Really,
But as an investment, parang maganda yata bumili talaga ng property dito sa Pilipinas and then have it rented out, di ba? What do you think?
Right. Alam mo, Fred, because of guys like you na parang baby-making machine.
Parang farm.
Ano ba? Anong farm?
Kasi naman, 5 kids in 5 years. 92 million na tuloy ang populasyon ng Pilipinas. Uy, pero ang good news, sa dinami-rami ng tao dito sa Pilipinas, there will forever be a market for quality homes. Whether you want to buy for, let's say, rental income, to resell, or kung gusto mo tiran, ganun talaga eh. Parang basic law of supply and demand lang yan. Basta ako, convinced ako sa Philippine real estate.
Ako rin. Bilib ako sa Philippine real estate.
Pare!